Are you curious about how your lunchtime choices can not only satisfy your taste buds but also set the stage for a productive and energetic afternoon? Balanced Lunch Ideas for Productive Afternoons is your guide to crafting meals that strike the perfect balance between flavor, nutrition, and sustainable energy. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the world of balanced lunches, unveiling the secrets of how your midday meal can boost your productivity and overall well-being. 1. The Lunchtime Enigma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the enigma of lunch, a meal that holds the potential to either propel you through the day or leave you feeling sluggish. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unraveling the science of a balanced lunch. 2. Understanding balanced lunches. Begin by defining what balanced lunches are and why they matter. Describe how they combine essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables to provide sustained energy and support your productivity. 3. The power of macronutrients. Delve into the importance of macronutrients in a balanced lunch. Emphasize how carbohydrates supply quick energy, proteins repair and build tissue, and healthy fats aid in nutrient absorption. 4. A rainbow of colors. Discuss the significance of incorporating a rainbow of colors in your lunch. Explain how diverse fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to boost your immune system and overall health. 5. The role of fiber. Explore how fiber plays a pivotal role in balanced lunches. Share how whole grains, legumes, and fiber-rich vegetables keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing the afternoon energy slump. 6. Quick and easy options. Highlight the availability of quick and easy balanced lunch options. Share ideas like salads with lean proteins, grain bowls, and wraps with nutritious fillings that fit into busy schedules. 7. Homemade versus eating out. Discuss the pros of homemade lunches compared to eating out. Explain how preparing your own meals allows you to control portion sizes and choose high-quality ingredients. 8. The long-term balanced lunch journey. Conclude with the idea that embracing the concept of balanced lunches isn't just a passing trend, it's a lifelong commitment to a more productive, energetic, and healthier life. Encourage readers to view their midday meals as a long-lasting approach to supporting their well-being and productivity. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of balanced lunch ideas but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their daily routines, savoring the benefits of sustained energy, improved productivity, and overall well-being. Balanced Lunch Ideas for Productive Afternoons is a journey into a world of culinary balance, where every bite becomes an opportunity to fuel your body, boost your performance, and ensure a more successful and energetic afternoon. So, let's embark on this balanced lunch journey and discover the remarkable benefits it offers for your productivity and overall quality of life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.